And yeah, I think this B, this acciaccatura B, should play before the medium. Am I right?
Like that.
Yeah. And I listen to official audio. I hear the acciaccatura B is before the medium, before the third beat.
Very often people do perform acciaccaturas with before the beat. That's correct. One way of helping, I mean, if you just, there's a little trick because sometimes students find it hard to play them quickly. So for a beginner student, what I tend to do is just say play both notes together and then lift the top note. So you play, and it sounds like. You see?
I see.
Put them down together as a chord, and then release the top note. And that makes a very quick acciaccatura on the beat as well.
Okay. Let me try.
Okay, right. Generally no problems with the playing at all, but notes for students. So one thing I find is interesting, maybe separated crotchets. Bar 7, for example.
Where? Bar 7.
Yeah.
Yes. Not
a younger student will just slur that. But it matches the slurs in the right. And do a little lift on each crotchet, which you did anyway. Okay. Now, another thing for the articulation. So in bar 10 and similar 12, 13, 14, you've got 2 notes slurred at the beginning. And then there's no articulation marking on the next 6. But I think as you did, the next 6 are slurred. Well, 7 actually onto the B. Yeah? And the same thing in bar 12, you'd have got the first 2 are slurred. Yeah, so there's a little break after the first 2, and then you carry on slurring for the rest of them.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, one other little thing might be quite nice. It's not marked, but maybe at the end of the piece, in bar 29, you've got a repeat of the melody that you had 4 bars earlier. So. That, so I'm dropping the volume a little bit and then crescendoing back up again. Just a little bit.
I see.
A bit of creative license. But I think it sounds effective and it'll show the examiner that you've thought about it, shaping the piece.
Okay, I see.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah, and don't rush the ending as well. So you, almost like a triumphal ending. Just let it settle a little bit at the end. Don't rush.